Are you looking to downsize or find your perfect winter home without spending $1 million? Then I got the perfect spot for you. Let's go check it out. So for under $400,000, this unit offers extreme value. This is a corner lot unit, which means you get more windows for natural light and a larger lot. It's twice the size than an interior unit. Another feature that makes this unit special is this sunroom. As you can see, it's already opened up to the whole living space. It also has more AC vents to keep it comfortable year-round, so you can enjoy it. Most units in this community, they don't have that, and in the summer, it is so hot, you can barely use this room. Take a look at this kitchen. Normally in these units, you don't see this big, open, spacious kitchen. It's closed off and dark, and you feel claustrophobic in here. But not in this kitchen. It's been updated with quartz countertop, updated appliances, larger single basin sink. And did you see this pass through? Look at all the seating for you and your guests while you're entertained. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa has a den, which we're in right now. Currently it's used as an office, but if you notice, it has a closet. So you can close this off and use it as a 3rd bedroom. At this price point, you normally don't find vaulted ceilings, recessed lighting, room for a king-size bed and furniture, tons of natural light, but wait till you see the star of this show, the primary bath. Your primary bath has a huge walk-in closet with built-ins. You have a dual vanity quartz sink, and my favorite part, this giant shower that you don't even find in Valencia's at GL Homes. The Shores at Aberdeen East is a 55+ community that offers a blend of comfortable living spaces, scenic surroundings, and a range of amenities tailored for active adults without the requirement of a country club membership.